Good evening, committee chair and committee members. My name is Jan Hauser. I am the wastewater division manager. I am here this evening to present to you for your consideration a trade services agreement number 324-00008 with Aquatic Bioassay and Consulting Laboratories, Inc., otherwise known as ABC Labs, for ocean monitoring services. Specifically, the recommendation is that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute an agreement with Aquatic Bioassay and Consulting Laboratories, Inc., ABC Labs, for an amount not to exceed $1.85 million for a 5-year term ending December 31st, 2028 for ocean outfall monitoring services. Background is that our wastewater treatment plant operates legally through a permit that is issued by the state of California through the California Regional Water Quality Control Board. This permit is renewed every 5 years, and it identifies many things, including our required monitoring, water quality monitoring out in the ocean at our discharge, which is approximately 1 mile offshore. So specifically, we have a number of things that we monitor for out in the ocean. Water quality monitoring, which is monitoring the actual certain constituents in the water itself at different depths. Ocean acidification testing, benthic sediment monitoring, fish and invertebrate monitoring, kelp bed monitoring, outfall and diffuser inspection, toxicity testing, and seafood safety monitoring. Annual requirements vary from year to year over the duration of the permit. So here's an example of a graphic that is in our actual permit that identifies locations for our water quality testing. You can see the yellow line going out into the ocean is our actual location of our outfall. And then there's a 5x5 grid that shows 25 locations around the outfall that we actually go out on an annual basis and collect water quality samples. Here's a couple pictures of what they do. You can see on the left side there, they're doing some trawling and catching some fish. We actually monitor the quality of the fish. On the right-hand side, they're doing some equipment that we operate to monitor the outfall. So on February 23rd, 2023, our purchasing department released an RFP, PW 23-89, for these services. Proposals were due on March 24th, 2023. We received a single proposal from ABC Labs. So why did we only receive one proposal? This is very, very highly specialized work. There are very few laboratories and contractors that do this type of work. And we have also used ABC Labs. They've been doing this work for over 30 years. So we're very comfortable and very satisfied with their services. So the proposals were reviewed by a number of people, including the purchasing buyer, the division manager, operations manager, chief operator, and management analyst. We all came to the same conclusion that ABC Labs is qualified, and they have done a nice job for us over the many years that they've been providing this service. So the financial impact, again, is $1.85 million over the 5 years of the contract. The table below shows you an estimate of the breakdown per year. Again, it does vary. The requirements do vary from year to year, and therefore we have different levels of funding which will be addressed in the annual budgeting process. That concludes my presentation. I'd be happy to take any questions. Thank you very much.